Hello, I'm in a 2013 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this currently is. And then from your home settings here, we can do configure, or you can get to this screen also from your home, and then scroll to next, config, and enter there. And then we'll scroll down to phone settings and enter. And then device list, you may need to delete devices before you can pair a new one because there's a limit to how many you can have. So we'll delete that just so I can show you. So that's deleted. So now we know there's at least one spot open. Delete more is needed. I hit back to go back, and then this pairing device will enter again. And then make sure on your device you've got your Bluetooth on, which is that blue symbol. And then usually if you push and hold that, it'll open your pairing screen, which we're going to do that now. And then now we're just going to watch and wait for this to pop up. Sometimes this takes a few tries. You might have to restart the car or restart your phone a few times. Just how technology goes sometimes. But otherwise, at some point we should have, there we go, popped up Chevy Equinox in pairing. And it appears it's going to make me enter a PIN. Sometimes this changes, so that number does match what my phone says. So it's a pair, and then there we go. And then usually it'll prompt you if you want to connect your address book and things like that from your phone. If you've got Bluetooth in your vehicle, you should be able to listen to music and potentially maps and things like that as well. But otherwise, that's it. And then it should try to auto connect as well when you start and turn off your vehicle, but otherwise you can reconnect through this explanation from the tutorial as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.